Since the April 2nd, the so-called Liberation Day, what have we learned? I feel for the markets, I feel like the lesson is that you cannot time the market. And uncertainty does not necessarily mean a terrible outcome. However, what did we learn about the Trump administration's China agenda? What was the logic behind the Liberation Day tariff announcements? Did we achieve something with China and the rest of the world? What was the goal? I don't think there is a lot of people who can actually answer that question right now.
Yeah, I don't think that's really clear yet, Sherry. And the other thing that people are saying is, look, going from 145 to 30, 125 to 10 sounds like a big drop. And it is, right? But it actually kind of takes us back to square one, because at the end of the day, even at 30 and 10, this is still higher than before Liberation Day. So, I guess this is a bit of a victory, but not a complete one, I don't think.
Exactly. It's like magic, right? If President Trump came out with 50% or 30% right out of the gate, then people would have been freaking out with the same level of tariffs. But of course, you hike it up and then come back down, and the market rallies on the back of that. And of course, the question that we'll be asking is really what this means for the rest of the world, especially here in Asia, because we thought that countries like South Korea and Japan, they would have it easy. I mean, many expected trade negotiations to be done with these countries because they are considered U.S. allies than countries like the U.K. or China. But there we go. So I think that is also an interesting angle that we can dig into today and this week.
Yep, let's do that, and looking forward to it.